accidentally swiped away a crucial app and now it's gone. Don't panic. First, head over to the App Store, tap on the App Store icon, and then tap on the search bar at the bottom. Type in the exact name of the app you're missing. It's important to spell it correctly for the search to work effectively. If you see a cloud icon with a downward arrow instead of a get or open button, that means you've previously downloaded the app. Simply tap the cloud icon to re-download it. The app will start downloading and reinstalling on your device. If you still can't find your app, your next best bet is iCloud. Tap the settings icon on your iPhone's home screen and tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. Tap on iCloud, then scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. Make sure iCloud Backup is enabled. If it is, you may need to restore your phone from a previous backup to get the app back. Be sure to back up your current phone before restoring to avoid any data loss. Finally, if you're part of a family sharing group, the app might have been shared by another family member. Go to Settings again and tap on Family Sharing to view apps your family has bought and shared. And that's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to recover almost any deleted app on your iPhone.